Every program has a secret. Every binary tells a story. You don't run the code, you read its mind. Welcome to reverse engineering.
You see an app, I see the bones. Compile bytes, no comment shown. Source code hidden, locked away, but logic still has a way to say. Reverse engineering means going back from compile form to the logic stack. Not writing code, but breaking it down, understanding how it makes decisions now. XEF8K file, I tear it apart, byte by strings, functions, control flow. I don't guess, I know, yeah. Reverse engineering read the brain, turn black box code into something plain. From assembly whispers to logic clear, I decode what others fear. Reverse engineering slow and deep, while others run, I think. Understand the system from inside out, that's what real hacking's about. First, static, no code run, just reading files till patterns come. Strings show hints, functions align, imports tell me what's inside. Then now we dance, the bugger gives a second chance. Breakpoints hit, registers talk, step by step. I watch it walk. If statements loops, hidden keys, hard-coded creds found with these. Assembly looks scary, yeah it's true, but it's just logic written new. Gidra opens up the map, IDD shows what functions snap at 64G. Ali radar 2, every tool reveals a clue. Hex editors patch a byte, change a jump wrong becomes right. Sandbox runs to catch the trick, malware hides, I spot it quick. Android app, smelly code, iOS, OQC mode. Nothing magic, nothing fake, just patience hackers learn to make yours. Malware analysts know the threat, what it steals, where it connects. License checks, DRM walls, find the logic, not brute force calls. 0 days born from understanding, not from luck, but deep dissecting CTFs, bug bounties, nation state ops. Reverse engineer, sit at the top. Defenders learn how attacks are built. Attackers learn where code feels guilt. Same skill, different side, knowledge decides where you'll ride. Heard of
Code never lies, it only hides. And if you're patient enough, it will confess.
Reverse engineering, slow grind king. Understand why before doing a thing. Not copy paste, not surface play, but deep logic clears the way. Reverse engineering, mind over tools. Curiosity breaks all rules. If you can read the machine soul, you don't fear any control.
Most people run software. Some people break software. But a few understand it. Your NepHack, teaching hackers to think.